Hi and welcome to this edition of Out the Box. Today we're going to be looking at what is in this box. This is the rack mount kit for the AI key. So really very little in the box, but let me just show you what you're going to get. So you are going to get a small packet of bolts and rack nuts there for mounting this directly in your rack, and you're going to get the device itself. It already comes with one of the holes knocked out, and then you can have two more devices in here. So what is this? Well, obviously the AI key can only handle around about 1,000 transactions an hour, so you need a number of these depending on how many AI detections you are needing to monitor and manage. It's a polycarbonate construction. You can already see at the ends here we've got our rack ears already molded into that, and you can see the casing here at the back. So how does this work? Well, if we take our AI key, which is this, we can actually insert this from the back, and this runs all the way through and clips into place, and that gives you your nicely mounted first unit. You would then push out this plate and continue on. Obviously at the back you've then got your PoE in and your network cabling at the back. If you do want to remove this, you can't pull it backwards. You need to continue pushing that unit on forwards to bring it out of the device there as well, if you can call it a device. But hopefully that's been useful. So that is the rack mount kit for the Ubiquiti AI key. Head on over to our YouTube channel. We've got plenty more box openings on network, firewall and wireless devices and camera security as well. How-to guides, how to get the best out of Unify Protect network, and many other guides like that. So why don't you head over there, subscribe and stay up to date.